beautiful event, Phenom India Conclave, a cohort study. And that too on an eventful day, on the eve of the World Diabetes Day, which is being observed across the world tomorrow, on the 14th of November. And this is a study which is going to study some of the, which is going to evaluate some of the basic determinants of health in the current age and times, namely the biological factors, the environmental factors, the genetic factors, the lifestyle factors, which also determine the vulnerability or susceptibility of individuals for a disease, and that we are going through an era of metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes mellitus, coronary artery disease, dyslipidemias, etc., and our new initiation would be in the area of genes, genetic regimes for prevention and genetic therapies for cure. You'll be glad to know the same ministry through the Department of Biotechnology has come out with the first ever successful genetic therapy trial in hemophilia, which is a blood bleeding disorder caused as a result of the deficiency of clotting factor A9. And likewise, through this study, we are going to learn or try to validate and evaluate how the Indian phenotype is different, because it's been known for several decades that Indian phenotype is different. For example, Indians are more prone to central obesity, unlike the Westerners, who may be obese overall, but may not have visceral fat so much as even a lean Indian has. But we did not have the means to validate it, and now not only we will validate it, we'll also find out the preventive strategies and therapeutic strategies, and maybe tomorrow we'll have an age of personalized prescriptions. For example, you have 4 persons with the same disease. Each person may require a different prescription or may be able to procure a different prescription depending on his lifestyle, his genetic makeup, his environmental conditions. So I'm glad that unlike in several other sectors before this government came in, under Prime Minister Modi, we have always been ahead of the others, or maybe the first line nation in every new initiation. So the next age is going to be that of the recycling, regeneration, genes, biotechnology, and we are already into it. We are among the very few who also have come out with a dedicated policy on biotechnology called BioE3, which Prime Minister spoke about during his Independence Day address from Red Fort this year. And therefore, I think we are now going to come out with cues, because India also has the advantage that we have a diverse composition of population because of its heterogeneous. Data emerging from India will be Indian data for Indian solutions, Indian treatment regimes for Indian patients, Indian prevention strategies for Indian subjects, and many of our data would also be of utility to the people across the world.
Sir, is there any plan for diabetes medication? And India is number second after.
No, we are right now working. We have already now being hailed as one of the vaccine